Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Cunning Fox. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your motivation matters to me so that I can bring for you more interesting videos. Without further delay, let's begin our video. The method is very simple. All you need to do is simply open your iTunes, and once you are in the iTunes, just go to edit. In edit there will be a option preferences. Click on preferences. In preferences there will be a section devices. Go to devices, and now here all the backups which I have done to this laptop will be shown here. Just click on the backup which you want to delete permanently from your laptop. As I want to delete the first backup, so I'll simply click on this backup and click on the box delete backup, and a pop-up will come. In the pop-up there will be a option, are you sure you want to delete Ravi's iPhone? Simply click on delete, and here you go, you're done. Thank you.